Chaplin was saved by At-Choo Foundation. Walking down the middle of the street dragging a big plastic yellow chain from around her neck is not where anyone should walk. And not with that type of accessory. Add to the craziness, it is believed that she is vision impaired. She has a laceration below her eye suspected to have been caused by a dog. That eye is smaller than the other one. She has a front left leg that is possibly broken and her rear on the same side has her rumpus enlarged and might also be broken. She also has assorted scraps and abrasions. Now, she's lucky and now she's getting care. Just 4.5 months old and with a wagging tail. We know she is going to get some good gooey love mushy stuff in her life. Please contact At-Choo Foundation if you can.